E wānanga, whangatahi, kei ngaro he o tāmaki. Te koro ai aroha o Aotearoa, e mihi nei ki a koutou katoa. Awe haere mai, kia whiriwhiri a tō koro ai, kia whakawhakari te whānau. Kia toi tū te iwi, awe haere mai, kia whiriwhiri a tō koro ai, kia whakawhakari te whānau, kia toi tū te iwi. Kia ora, me Karapau from Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa, and I'm excited to be promoting this little bit of youth training, which is going to be happening, and rolling out in South Auckland. First time that this kind of thing has been done in South Auckland, and this little bit of investment has been put into South Auckland to grow these young leaders. And I've been in touch with your deans, your Māori departments in Mangere College, Southern Cross Campus, Aorere College, Manurewa High School, James Cook, Rosehill College, and of course Papakura High School. And so we want to be working with you. We are looking for the 30 most passionate and hungry young people out there that think they have what it's got to be a rangatira. And of course, if that's you and you want to get on board and you want to be a weave of groups and you want to be an agent for change, a champion, a kahukura, then we are certainly interested in you registering with us at Te Korowai Aroha Aotearoa. These wānangas are going to take place, start in Ruatoki, a 5-day wānanga in Ruatoki in the holidays of July. Then it will move to South Auckland, where we will have 2 weekend wānangas in South Auckland, and then finish up around September, November in Rotorua and Taheke Marae, and then our graduation will be in Wanganui in December 2017. If that's you, well, you need to get in touch with me. My name is Mikaira Pou, and that is my email, mpau@windowslive.com, or you can contact our tari, Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa, and on the following numbers, ask for .mareroa or Rita Peka, and the phone number is registered there, 07, which is a whakatāne phone number, 308 0585. Mauri ora to you all. Hope to see you soon on the Mahuri Tōtara Training 2017.